Downey. 8 a.m. temperatures are going to be at 72 degrees. It's already a warm start for many of us where we've got 70s. We don't need the sweater as we leave the house. Around noon, 84 in Downey. We turn the dial once again, and around 3 p.m. temperatures closer to 90 degrees. It's not going to be as hot as last week, but it might be a little more challenging to cool off because of that humidity. Evaporation doesn't happen as easily, and it's hard for our bodies to cool themselves down. So continue to practice good heat safety. If you have plans to head to the beach, watch out for some high surf. We have a beach hazard statement in effect through Wednesday evening for Ventura and LA County beaches. And here's the deal. We've got abnormally high tides each evening. We're going to see tides this evening all rise all the way to about 7 feet. So that could cause pooling of seawater at the beach and also in the harbors and hazardous swimming conditions. Stay off the jetties, stay off the rocks, and maybe find your place somewhere close to the lifeguard station. Air quality is improving. It's not as bad as last week, but it is still going to be unhealthy for sensitive groups and portions of the Inland Empire and up through the deserts. Better air quality closer to the coast. Highs today will be still hot up in the deserts, but not as hot as last week. We'll have upper 90s, low 100s, 80s, and 70s in the mountains. And these are two spots that have a higher chance of seeing that stormy weather. Now, there is a slight chance for storms in the Inland Empire this afternoon. You'll see those dark, menacing clouds, experience some gusty winds at times. The storms that do develop could contain some dangerous lightning, some small hail, some brief heavy downpours. You've got 90s this afternoon in the Inland Empire. A mix of sun and clouds over in Orange County, 70s at the coast, 80s inland. Ventura County looks like things are going to stay dry for you. You'll have 70s and 80s, but it will feel humid. 90s through the San Fernando Valley and through Santa Clarita. And here's your day in LA. A chance for some storms late this afternoon and this evening. Let me time it out for you. Look at our futurecast. Through 11 a.m., we've got that wet weather in portions of the deserts and also the San Jacinto Mountains. Now, during the afternoon, some of those storms are going to work their way into the Inland Empire, possibly through southern Orange County. And we got lots of cloud cover. Now, overnight and throughout tomorrow morning, not out of the question for us to maybe have some overnight showers that could continue through tomorrow morning and through tomorrow afternoon. Still a potential of seeing some stormy weather. So that monsoon moisture will be bringing us the greatest chance of rain today, tomorrow, and then we start to dry out Wednesday through the second half of the week. And when that happens, the heat starts to come back. Here's your 7-day forecast. We've got 70s at the coast, clouds today.